So I've been doing photography for about 7 years now, but I actually picked up my first camera about 14 years ago back in high school. This information is actually already on my website, so if you haven't been there, you should definitely check it out. So I recently moved to Houston after visiting and hosting a photo shoot back in January, and now I have this at-home studio you're looking at. And if you'd like to check out that photo shoot, I'll have a link to that video up above. Now, I've mainly been an outdoor shooter for the most part, but this Houston heat is no joke. I'm still into getting shoots done outdoors, but if anyone's looking to shoot indoors, just know I'm ready. I'm actually looking into getting an actual studio, one here in Houston, then maybe back home in Florida. Definitely want one in New York and maybe even Cali, but that's future goals. So I have my best friend here, Kayla. We've known each other for about 15, 16 years now. She was actually one of my first models when I started out doing portrait shoots. I got her to visit me twice so far here in Houston, and we're just here shooting, testing out the setup, and just creating content. I'm definitely hoping to get more content done for you guys with the little viewers that I have. But please be sure to share, like, comment, subscribe for more, and hopefully this channel can grow. So far with the setup, I'm using two lights, my Flashpoint Explorer 600 with a 42-inch beauty dish as my primary light, and my Godox V1 for backlighting. My camera is the Sony A7 III. My lens is a 35mm lens by Rokinon, but all of this will be listed in the description below if anyone is interested.